There's a mirror on the ceiling that I dare not look into. It shows a girl I don't remember, but she's mouthing, I am you. The sink is filled with silver strands, like threads I pulled from dreams. And in each curl a quiet scream that never found its wings. Tangles in my hair, twisted tight with silent prayers. Knots that whisper names I lost inside the heavy air. Every strand's a secret, every braid a ghost I wear. Tangles in my hair, tangles everywhere. Mama said, comb gently, dear, but I yanked till my scalp bled, trying to erase the echoes that still circle in my head. There's ribbon.
You want to learn all the skill in the world before you can come out and say, oh, I am good at this, or oh, I am good at that. But then you fail to realize that as you're waiting, time is going. Some people call it doing it afraid. Doing it afraid means that you realize that you're inexperienced in certain areas, but then you're still willing to put yourself out there and do it regardless. Are you going to keep waiting, or do you want people to be part of your journey, to see your flaws and yet welcome all that is in you, all that you come with? In this video, when I was making this voiceover, I had to delete so many of it. But then I realized that why are you even trying to get the best voiceover? It is funny, but that's the truth. You see perfection in even the littlest of things. And I just had to tell myself, you need to stop this and you need to put this video out there regardless. You're teaching a skill and it's okay not to be perfect. This is not to say that you shouldn't have a standard or you shouldn't be the best or aim to be skillful at what you do. No. But this is to say that regardless, be yourself.